In this quick video, I'll show you how to create a Steam account on laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So once you have this page on your Steam app, I am supposing that you have installed Steam in your computer. Now to create a Steam account, we need to tap on don't have a Steam account, click on create a free account, and then it will show you this window. Here type your email address which you want to use for your Steam account. Let me type my email address. Once you type your email address, copy it and paste it in your confirm your address section. We need to retype our email address and then select your country of residence. I have selected my country. Then tap on I am not a robot. Tick on it and then it will show you multiple puzzles. We need to simply solve these puzzles. Once you solve it, click on verify and then your check mark will be added here. And then check on I am 13 years of age. We need to check it, then click on continue. Now it will send you verification code on your email address. As you can see, it has sent me verification code on my email address. I need to open my browser and then go to your Gmail inbox. So my Gmail is here, I'll open it. So I have received this email from Steam. I need to open it. Then click on verify my email address and there you go, I have verified my email. And now go back to Steam and then it will show you this window. Now we need to create our account. We need to firstly provide our account name which we want to use for our Steam account. I'll type my account name here, then choose a password for your account, confirm it and then click on done. And there you go, I have successfully created my Steam account. We need to tap on continue. Now on the sign in page, we need to fill our credentials which we used for creating our account. Firstly, I need to type my account name. The account name of my account was this. Once you type your details, tap on sign in and then your Steam account will be logged in your computer. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.